Deep within the heart of an enchanted forest, nestled between towering trees and shimmering streams, lived three inspirable friends, Ava, Lucas, and Sophie. Their days were filled with laughter and adventure as they explored the magical wonders of their woodland home. One day, while wandering deeper into the forest than ever before, they stumbled upon a hidden glade basking in golden sunlight. In the center of the glade stood an ancient oak tree, its gnarled branches reaching toward the sky like outstretched fingers. Curiosity piqued, they approached the tree and discovered a small, intricately carved door nestled within its trunk. Without hesitation, they pushed open the door and stepped into a world beyond their wildest dreams. Inside, they found themselves in a whimsical realm filled with talking animals, sparking fairies, and mystical creatures of all shapes and sizes. Overwhelmed with wonder, they embarked on a fantastical journey through the enchanted forest, encountering magical beings and overcoming extraordinary challenges along the way. As they journeyed deeper into the forest, they discovered the true power of friendship and the limitless possibilities that awaited them in the enchanted realm. And though their adventure eventually came to an end, the memories they made and the bonds they forged would last a lifetime forever, weaving their lives together in the tapestry of friendship.